Here's another video where I have several hundred work from home jobs, completely work from home. All of these companies offer benefits, 401k, PTO, paid training, laptop, all that stuff. So let's get right into it. Oh, and before I start, if there is a specific job that you're looking for that I don't feature in this video, let me know in the comments, so then when I do my research and I come across a job like that, then I can feature in the future video. And if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe. First company is Ensemble, and they currently have 119 jobs. Now this is a medical company, so here are the categories of jobs that they are currently hiring for. So we'll check out some operations jobs. Here's a medical coding specialist position. Now this position specifically pays $20 to $24 per hour based on experience. And then obviously they're looking for this kind of experience and high school diploma, 1 year of coding experience. And then I'm actually trying to find their benefits. All right, here we go. Bonus incentives, paid certification, tuition reimbursement, comprehensive benefits. And there you go. So if you are interested in the medical field, maybe this is a company that would make sense for you. Now, when you're watching this, there's a good chance that you're not just looking for a job. What you're really probably looking for, if you're anything like me, is stability. Maybe you've been laid off. Maybe you're close to retirement and your retirement isn't looking like you thought it would at your age. Or maybe you're just tired of, you're just feeling like you're starting over. I've been laid off twice in the last 10 years alone. Recently took a massive pay cut. And I knew that if I didn't do anything, I'd never be able to afford to retire. And I discovered a simple process in social media marketing where I'm learning skills to be able to earn anywhere from $100 a day to $1,400 a day, working just 1 to 2 hours a day. If you want the free blueprint, just click on the link in the description below and it'll tell you all about it. Next, we have a company called Cerebral. And, I think that's right. They only have, so they have a care coordinator position, a licensed therapist positions open, as well as a psychiatrist and a direct care physician. So let's check out this care coordinator that is at $10.99. You'll be working 30 to 35 hours per week, Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or on weekends. So you'll be conducting high judgment care consults with patients who are seeking mental health support. I'm having problems talking today. Anyway, so this is a $10.99 position. It is considered a call center role. Next company is called Humera. Now, if you go to their careers website, type in remote in the search, 283 remote positions. And again, this is another company that is in the medical field. Oh, and then you can also go down here. It says remote job, yes. So they're looking for nurses, salespeople. So if those types of jobs interest you, then feel free to take a look. Next company is called Guidehouse. And again, someone in the medical field. They're looking for a medical coder. And here are the departments that they are looking to hire in. So here's a patient account representative. Let's see what that's all about. It's a call center customer service rep position. Okay, so I just happened to pick one that's not 100% remote, but it is hybrid. But anyway, let's see some of the benefits that they offer. Medical, dental, vision, personal, family, sick time, paid holidays. You could get bonuses, 401k, emergency backup childcare program. So that's cool. Next, I have a company called eVisit, and they are our leading digital care partner for health systems. So again, another health industry, and they're looking for these positions here. Next is a company called Found, and they are looking for marketing, clinical ops, and performance marketing positions. And we'll check out the social media manager position. Here is the job responsibility. Here are the required skills. Okay, and they don't go into what else they offer, but I'm pretty sure that they offer the typical benefits, the medical, 401k, paid vacation, all that good stuff. Next is a company called Arefs. Here are some of the benefits they offer: generous PTO, You get your equipment, you get office setup, conference budget, annual retreat, Connect program. So 2 weeks every year, you get to go to one of their offices. And here are some of the positions that they are hiring for. Next, we have a company called Rippling, and they're currently hiring for sales, finance, people, technical, implementation, a lot of sales, product, customer service. So a lot of different positions here. And we'll take a look at, so here's an enterprise account executive. You could get an idea of what they do. You do need a degree for this, as well as 4 years experience in sales. And their salary range for this position is $300,000. You'll receive base salary, commission, benefits, equity, which is pretty cool. All right, next company is a company called River, and they're hiring for engineering as well as product management. Here's an engineering position. It looks like they require 6 years in software engineering. Salary range is anywhere from $200,000 to $250,000. Medical, dental, vision, unlimited PTO, and 401k. Last company I have is called Fiber, and they are looking for operations as well as engineering positions. And we'll check out the software engineer, the back-end engineer position. Here is an idea of what the position is all about, the must-haves as well as the nice-to-haves. Here's the salary, equity, medical, dental, vision, 401k, PTO, company laptop. Those are the companies and positions that I have for you today. I do post a video, or at least try to, every single day so you can find the ideal job for you working from home. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't already, get your free step-by-step blueprint that walks you through how you can start taking control of your paycheck instead of having a company control it.